Hi, Juva family. It's Jennifer again. And guess what? Do you see what I'm wearing? How stinking cute is this? Oh my gosh. These head wraps are so adorable. So they are brand new and they're in the accessories tabs. There are 10 pieces, so you get 5 and 5 in each bag, and they come in an array of colors. Let me show you a few of them, and I'll show you the features that I like about them. I will pull out this one. I'm not going to take this one out because it's super cute. I like how it is in my hair. Anyways, so they are like a headband that you slip on. It is elastic and a covered elastic. So, you know, it can adjust your head. You can adjust it to where you want to wear it. I like to wear mine more forward on my head. I feel like, it stays really well there, and I can style the hair that I have around it there, but have fun with it and make it your own in any way that you want. They're super cute. They are put together like this in the front. So, you could have fun separating them if you want to. They come in so many different colors, and they're nice and soft. So they're not going to hurt your head. They're not going to give you a headache. I've mentioned before that I suffer from migraines, and I wore the one, I had a different one in. We went out to dinner for my son for his birthday, and I wore it the whole night. It never slipped out of my head, and I never got a headache from it. So I just want to show you the ones that came in my bag. So I really love that the colors that they give you will go with a variety of things in your closet. You can't go wrong with black and white. Like this one here is black and white. This one is like a little blue with some multicolors on there. So cute. And then this one is super fun. So I couldn't decide today between the black and white one or this one for a pop of color. So I'm actually going to show you something that I like to do with them as well, aside from wearing them just as a headband. Let me show you the other ones real quick. And some navy, which is great for the summertime. There's that one, or there's the stripe, like the one I have in my hair right now. Maybe I'm sitting too close. Okay. And then this is a really beautiful yellow and navy and white floral. And then a classic black and white stripe. And there's another one that I have that I wore that is not in my bag because I believe it's in my car. But it's like neutrals, tans, and a navy color, I think, as well. So let me show you. There are a multitude of things that you can wear your head wrap as. This is the classic way I like to wear mine. But I do like to wear them with my JuvaBun as well. So let me show you that. So I'm gonna slip this out because I want to show you the other one. And I'm just going to use, we're gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna use my brush and put my hair up in an elastic real quick. Okay. And then I'm going to take my JuvaBun and wrap that around. Okay, now this would be fine all by itself, okay? Now I could put the wrap this way, but on me, it pops off my head for some reason, unless I have my hair down. I don't know why. But this one, I wanted to add a little pop of color, so I thought it would be super cute. And I'm just going to wrap it right around that bun. And I'll turn around and show it to you. And it's so cute. Just trying to make sure I have it all tucked nicely. Okay, ready? I'm going to show that to you. So see how you can just add it around? And it just adds a beautiful little wrap there. Anyways, have fun with them, play with them, and make them your own. Enjoy. Go to JuvaBun.com and grab some today.